Vanakkam Sunita with beautiful hand woven ikat pochampalli cotton sarees with blouse. எதுக்கு சிரிக்கிறேன்? Priced at 2,900. Pretty happy wear collections. These are daily wear corporate collections. Let's open up the saree. Links will be provided for you. Every piece is very nice, like different. You're going to love it. That's got a contrast orange color cotton blouse. The zigzag weavings all throughout. The pallu is going to be non-zari, completely zero zari, happy wearing, daily wear collections. As I told you, these are also corporate wears. Wow, pretty one. That's the pallu for this zari stripes, zigzag, completely open. It's got a border, very symmetrical to the body design, and that's the blouse, which is in orange color, orangish yellow color. That's a green weaving all throughout, contrast blouse, which gives a very good highlight for the sari. By itself 2,900, pure soft, happy to wear cotton sarees, so soft. These are mercerized cotton, so they're going to be very happy on your look at the beauty of the saree. Think of yourself wearing it. You're going to really love yourself seeing visualizing the beauty on you or any of your relatives or friends, or these are also very beautiful gifting sarees which are happy to wear. The second saree is another graceful beauty in grey and white and peach combinations. It's got a contrast blouse. 2,900. Pallu is grand and gorgeous. Again, all are woven. The shining of the cotton is soon to be noticed so well. It's so beautiful. You never miss to notice it. It's so classy. And the contrast blouse in brown is another mesmerizing combination, never to miss. 2,900. Sari number 2, clicking link number 2, you buy them all, and that's the entire portion. The highlight of it, or what I really like about this product, is the beautiful border that so very coincides with the body design, yet there is a differentiation to be seen, and the color combinations are so rich and gorgeous, and they are very elegant as well. So these are happy collections of cottons for you from Vastram. You're going to enjoy. This is also another fresh color of green, brown and light green with a nice contrast light green blouse. But that's the whole body. Oh my god, the cottons are soft, folly and shiny at the same time, so that combination is pretty rare because the quality talks for the shining, and the softness also depends on the weaving, so that is very important. So this is a beautiful saree number 3, green brown and light green pastel tone blouse. Look at the blouse combination, you never miss. Okay, that is another beauty coming. Saree number 4, which is a blue and a peach color border, a dark peach color border and a peach color pallu with a contrast color, a peachish pink and red combination blouse. Wow, that's a beautiful saree. It's so soft. Opening that takes a little bit time, so think about how happy the body is going to be when it is going to be worn by you, or if somebody of saree lovers who love to have the lightweight collections yet breathy fabric, the breezy beautiful fabrics, this is definitely one, and that's the saree for you. That is saree number 4. Okay, all I think 8 I have, and all of them are classy. This is another design which is my favorite designs of the whole lot, because most of the sarees are in this design because they are so trendy, in trend designs for now. Wow, look at them. And the pallu is orange and the blouse is pink and orange mixed with the white patch of weaving, completely open. They look like they look like as though they're printed, but that's a woven beauty from Pochampalli. And the borders, as I told you, are my real eye-catchy favorites for this lot of selection. I selected these sarees just because for the fabric and for the combination that they serve. Okay, then the saree number 7, 6, nice deep magenta, a pink or magenta mix, a nice blouse with the same color. It's almost the same color. The fabric is a bit more different than the body fabric and the saree fabric, because the blouse needs to be much more stiffer. This is a strong blouse with nice flow, and look at that. Just think, you look so corporate. You just can have a 3/4 sleeve or a 9 inches elbow length sleeve, and a top bun and a big bindi. You are there for the day and you look amazing. That's a saree which I always do that. The top bun is my favorite, but so then I can see only myself very much on these. Yeah, that's another saree number 7, which is blue and a kind of English sorry, a pastel, not pastel, a brighter tone of a dual tone, pink and blue, red and blue combination, which is a kind of pinkish, a shade which is very nice. The pallu has some, missing dots as its design. The border is plain, the same rich color. Blouse is a contrast, which got a little bit of tint of the borders and a contrast stripes horizontal. That is sari number 7 for us. 7 nane. We have 2 more saris. That's going to be sari number 8, which is green. My favorite design, because this design really made me think I should definitely have this collection, because the material which I loved, as I already told you, it's got striped blouse and the stripes pallu, and the pallu has some zigzags all throughout. It's got a beautiful blouse over here. Oh my god, that's sari number 8 for us. Descriptions all hold good, so links will be provided. 9 different links and beautiful buying possibilities, all from Vastrams only for you. You're going to love this collection and enjoy what you're going to buy from us. This is sari number 8. And now comes sari number 9, the last sari of this lot of cottons from Pochampalli. The cottons are so mercerized and so well done. It looks as though they are really going to be very happy on your body. The body is going to say, yeah, give me this. I love this. Okay? Because that's the softness I'm just seeing. I can also feel it. It's so very nice. Yeah, I'm not trying to flatter, or I'm just not trying to say something which is not at all true, but this is 100%. The fact that I'm seeing some products, they make you talk more because they're so beautiful. If I anyway talk more, it means like I'm trying to explain you more, which I really can't get it to you, because when you come here and feel the fabric, you just going to close your eyes and take it. But unless otherwise I tell you how much I really love this, how much the product actually is carrying that the beauty it carries, you're not going to, you'll just feel or say that, oh, it's another sari from Vastram. No, this is not all just another saris. These are very, very special. I like them personally because a perfect happy wear, breezy fabric. The fabric breathes through and it's so happy for you. The body would definitely love, and you're going to be really, really in love with it when you're going to get it. For you, happy shopping. Link will be provided. We'll get back with many interesting collections. Stay tuned.